Hey guys, check, 1, 2. How's breathing? Today's set of gadgets from all over the web will add some bright accents to your look and to your house. There's also a couple of things for those who look after their health. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. This portable air conditioner won't let those dog days of summer get you overheated. It looks like a miniature jet engine, and its performance is no less impressive. This guy can reduce the outlet air temperature by 30 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. You can also attach the included extendable exhaust hoses to keep the device from simply recycling the same hot air if you're in a confined space. Furthermore, the air conditioner features a sleep mode, so it'll monitor the surrounding temperature and keep it at the comfiest level all the time. Know what? This thing will even dehumidify the air when needed. Physical buttons and an LED screen provide you with all the controls and glanceable info, and here comes the coolest part: the battery. It's detachable and it's enormous. The device runs up to 5 hours in normal mode and the entire night in sleep mode. Since the battery has 2 USB-As, a 12-volt DC, and a Type-C port, you can use it to charge your gadgets. Colorful lighting is the key to a cozy and modern interior. These minimalist light bars stand out with a modular design, allowing you to combine and connect them in an infinite variety of different layouts on the wall and even around the corner. If the initial kit isn't enough, you're free to expand it to the point where the lights will cover an entire wall. You can control the lights with a dedicated app. Here you can not only choose the color and effects, but also create custom scenes and automatic schedules and adjust the brightness. Summer's coming, so you need a pair of glasses to protect your eyes from the sun. These ones look good. Well, yeah, polarized mirror lenses protect your eyes from UV light, and a wide frame with a keyhole bridge evenly distributes the weight. Sharper corners of the frame along with longer temples add several points to your style. But what if it suddenly starts raining cats and dogs? Oh, just fold them. Yep, these are foldable glasses, but don't let the design fool you. They're robust and durable to accompany you on all your adventures. Awesome. It's kinda challenging to create quality video content only having a smartphone with a good cam. This robot was designed to make your life a bit easier. The ergonomic handle gives you a comfortable grip, and the control buttons are easy to press with just one finger. By the way, the entire device can also stand upright on its own. When recording, the robot will smooth out the bumps and shakes of the handheld video so you can capture life's best moments while running, cycling, jumping, and so on. This thing has a dedicated app with some extra features that'll help you improve the vids. There are several recording options. Perhaps most notable is the Movie Lapse. It allows your smartphone to record flawless time-lapse as you move. Yep, your eyes don't deceive you. This sling bag features a fairly large screen with bright LEDs. Just download the dedicated app and choose one of the animations from the giant gallery. You can also draw your own and even convert the image you've liked into pixel art. The app provides you with a ton of other customization options. The display will also show notifications like calls and text messages and other glanceable info like the clock and the weather. Since it's pixel art, there are some mini games as well. As for the bag, it can be worn any way you like, and it's big enough to fit all your essentials. That's how a bag turns into a great multifunctional accessory. Now that's the thing that you've always wanted to have but didn't probably know exists. It's called BusyBox, and the name speaks for itself. You mount the device to your door to let everyone know that you're extremely busy right now, but there are some really cool features worth mentioning. First, you can change the text in the box. The basic version includes several messages that you can swap easily. As you can see, there's a built-in backlight to attract everyone's attention. The digital version allows displaying custom text and images. Both of them support remote control with an app where you can also change the color of your text. Moreover, the device is compatible with Siri and other voice assistants. You can also sync it with your calendar. Not bad. Every gamer needs a reliable Wi-Fi connection. This gaming router makes sure your games will never lag again. It supports Wi-Fi 6 standards and helps to achieve incredible speeds up to 5,400 megabits per second. Mobile gaming mode helps to minimize lags and delays when playing games on your smartphone. ASUS AI Mesh technology makes it possible to combine the router with AI Mesh compatible routers to form a single network. Thanks to 4 powerful antennas, the signal will be equally good in any part of your house. The router is equipped with 2 USB 3.2 ports and 4 LAN ports with a bandwidth of 1,000 megabits per second. Since this thing is designed for gamers, it boasts colorful RGB lighting. Finally, the integrated network security system provides pro-level protection against external threats, an impregnable Wi-Fi fortress. You already take your tumbler with you everywhere you go, so why not add some extra features? It's an 18-ounce tumbler that keeps your beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 8 hours. The leak-proof lid makes sure all the liquid stays inside. The tumbler is made of stainless steel and it's double-wall insulated. And here comes the combo part. On the bottom, there's a detachable Bluetooth speaker, so you can enjoy your music as you drink, or you can put your speaker somewhere nearby. The speaker runs up to 8 hours, and then you can charge it with the included micro USB cable. Finally, there's a wide range of colors, so pick yours. Too worried about your kitty cat sitting at home alone? This pet monitoring cam sends 1080p videos right to your smartphone anytime you need it. You can say to them, "Hello," so they could hear you, and ask them to stop eating your favorite flowers. But the best part is that the device doubles as a laser toy and lets you play with your fluffy friend when you're at work or on vacation. Or you can set the laser to play with your favorite pet automatically, without your involvement. The gadget is compatible with Alexa, so you can send voice commands when pressing buttons isn't convenient. Let's just hope the cat won't decide that hanging on the curtains is way more amusing than chasing the laser beam. This projector will help you transform any place into a moving galaxy full of stars. It instantly projects millions of drifting stars against a transforming blue nebula cloud. Simple button controls make it easy to cycle through light effects, adjust brightness, or start or stop the motion. Unlike other similar products, this device uses direct laser diodes to project bold and vivid colors that can't be matched by knockoffs. All you need is to just plug a 5-foot AC adapter cord into an outlet and enjoy. It's time to set some green accents on your desktop, on your monitor to be precise. This is a desktop monitor vine planner. It adds not only a beautiful aesthetic, but also living greenery to your workspace. Since it has a transparent design, maintaining your plant will be a piece of cake. You know exactly when to water the soil with the included watering syringe. Anything's wrong? Make a photo and get a detailed prescription on how to take care of your green friend. A full-spectrum LED grow light gives your vine the light it needs. Additionally, it measures 1.4 inches in diameter. This provides just enough greenery without taking up too much space. You'll notice so much growth, and you can even put your hands in the holes to feel your beautiful plant with your fingers. Yep, it's another smart doorbell. So first, it notices and saves every face that appears at your door. All you have to do is register the faces in the app so the cam can notify you of welcome and unwelcome guests. The device allows you to see any activity outside your door, even when you're out, in fact. It sends a real-time notification to your phone when someone uses the doorbell. Also, with two-way communication, it lets you talk to visitors. You can even customize this device to your preferences. For example, set voice messages for specific people. This feature works well for frequent visitors or when you're expecting a package. This gadget will take care of your health. It's an automatic soap dispenser. It's so lightweight you can mount it with adhesive tape. The way it works is simple. When the infrared sensor detects the palm of your hand, the dispenser will provide you with some amount of soap. You can actually adjust that feature. The touch-sensitive display will show the indoor temperature and the battery level. Oh, the dispenser is easy to refill, and it's rechargeable, so a USB-C cable is included in the package. The most important part, please don't use any kind of gel hand sanitizer if you don't want a boom to happen. This one's for those who like some fancy details in their interior. The moment you see the lamp, you notice that the metal ball is floating in the air. Well, yes, it's just a magnetic levitating system. It's not rocket science. But the most mind-blowing thing is that the ball actually doubles as a switch button. You can turn the light on and off and trigger different preset mood light modes with just a gentle pressing. Pick a particular color or enjoy the color changing mode, it's up to you. The light's also adjustable, which means the device will perfectly fit either your office or your bedroom. You'll set up the device in several minutes, not to say in seconds, and don't worry about the metal ball suddenly falling down. The tempered glass will handle that. Cool. Meet your new trainer that'll keep an eye on your heart rate. So first, wear the device on your wrist, elbow, or your chest, depending on the type of activity. Then activate it and start your workout. The tracker uses ECG sensors and PPG sensors to calculate your heart rate and then shows the results with a particular light indicator. You can see which zone you're in without breaking your flow. If there's anything you need to correct, you can do that before you get injured. Cool. The device is compatible with a wide range of fitness apps where you can track your progress. The battery capacity is enough to run up to 6 months on one charge, and there are several color straps to choose from.